Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. There were a gazillion Bengali style sari draping looks that were tried by Aishwarya Rai in the movie called Devdas. I have tried to imitate a few of them, like 2 of them, in this video. I hope you all will enjoy this video, and if you people do, then please don't forget to give this video massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. With that being said, let's not just waste any time further and see how Aishwarya did got all these sari drapes. So starting off with the basic step of sari draping, that is taking an entire circle of the sari all around your body, starting off from the right hand side, turning towards your left hand side, and then coming back right onto the right hand side and pinning each and every single thing into your petticoat. Going ahead and finding out the fancy end of the sari, which is known as the pallu, you want to go ahead and vertically pleat the pallu to make sure that you have the pleats as perfect as possible, because at this step only you want to sort out all your pleats. You couldn't wear your Bengali sari without being the pallu sorted. So just go ahead and sort the pallu right now. So grabbing all the pleats right into my left hand, I'm using the help of my right hand. I am just gonna grab all the pleats right underneath, as I am gonna show you guys right over here. So you want to grab all the pleats of yours, then leave, like set free your left hand, then set free your right hand by holding the pleats into your left hand, and then once again just grabbing all the pleats by the help of your right hand to make sure that you have all of them, and then just measure the length of the pallu that you want, and then go ahead and use a safety pin to secure your sari onto your shoulder. Yes guys, you want to go ahead and sort your pallu right now. So just secure the sari on your shoulder. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead towards the pleats of the sari. Now the Bengali sari pleats are quite simple. It's just you want to have a hang of it, because it's going to slip by my hand once or twice, as you guys can see. This is like 1.5 pleats complete. Now this is second pleat complete. It's going to take a while because I'm going to drop it every time I'll hold it, but this is the second pleat going to get completed, as you guys can see right here. Now this is the second pleat completed. I'm going to insert it in. Yes, you want to go ahead and put the face of the inner rim of your sari into the front, because further you will see why am I doing that. So just go ahead and do that. Now you want to go ahead and take the inner rim of the sari, adjusting it right onto your breast and bringing it at the back. You want to take a safety pin and you want to pin it right at the back, and go ahead and just secure it as beautifully as you could. Now your basic Bengali drape is entirely done at the moment. You just need to adjust the pleats, and it's all completed right over here, as you guys can see. Now what I am going to show you guys is I'm going to just grab the edge of the pallu, pleat it a little bit, just go ahead and pleat it once, and then just I'm going to show you that if you just go ahead and pin it right on top of that pallu, that is right over there, you would have that silsila ye chahat ka wala video look. And this is how she actually wore the sari in that song, and at the time of her wedding she was having the pallu on the head somehow like this. So that's it guys. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.